Welcome to Cache Valley. We're so happy to have you here.
Hey everybody, this is Reed Capener, Director of Event Services. It may be very cold outside right now here in Logan, but we are very excited and making all the preparations for you to be here this summer. Can't wait to see you at some of the many events and classes we have planned for you. We'll see you then.
Welcome to Cache Valley.
Hi there, I'm Julie from the Cache Valley Visitors Bureau, and this is our team.
Hi, I'm Nancy. I can't wait to see your smiling faces.
And I'm Laura. Please make us your first stop.
We just can't wait for you to get back here. Come and see us at the Visitors Bureau. See you soon.
Hey everybody.
Welcome to the card office. We are so excited you're here.
We welcome you to Utah State University, and we're thrilled at your interest in the Summer Citizens program.
Hi, my name's Angela Moody, and I'm helping with the Summer Citizens registration. It's going to be a great summer, and we look forward to seeing you.
Hello, I'm Lisa Anderson, coordinator of the Summer Citizens program at Utah State University in Logan, Utah. I invite you to join us for a cool summer. Escape the extreme heat and come enjoy our mild temperatures and beautiful mountain atmosphere. The university and community collaborate to provide engaging courses, educational travel tours, world-class theater, and local events. There is so much to do. Join current friends and look forward to making new friends with the Summer Citizens program. The program is produced by the Event Services Department at Utah State University, which is responsible for coordinating all events that occur on campus. We couldn't do it without the support of our campus partners, including dining, housing, parking, IT, classroom services, the card office, and campus recreation. In addition, we are grateful to the many sponsors who support the program: City of Logan, Cache County Wraps and Restaurant Taxes, the Cache Valley Visitors Bureau, Cache Valley Transit District, Utah Festival Opera and Musical Theater, Lyric Repertory Company with the Kane College of the Arts, Summerfest Arts Fair. Our housing sponsors offer comfortable furnished accommodations, the local medical community featuring amazing facilities and healthcare, and many local businesses who offer discounts throughout the summer. See our website for a list of all program sponsors. Let's hear from a few of them now.
Hi folks, I'm Noelle Cockett, President of Utah State University, and I am so pleased you are considering the Summer Citizens program offered through Utah State University in Logan, Utah. We love having our summer citizens join us. We have a beautiful location here in Logan, a small mountain valley surrounded by gorgeous peaks. That means you'll have lots of opportunity for outdoor recreation. The second thing our program has is Logan, Utah. It's a small college town that provides great welcoming events, performance, arts, and people for those of you that come and spend the summer with us. And finally, we have Utah State University's campus, a beautiful spot with lots of great learning opportunities through the courses that we offer specifically for summer citizens.
Hi, I am Mayor Holly Daines, and I would like to invite you to join us in Logan, Utah for the summer. We have enjoyed having summer citizens here for a number of years, and there are so many wonderful things to do in our valley. We have beautiful mountains, we have the canyon nearby, our trail system and our parks and golf course are second to none. We have a great art scene downtown with the opera and musical theater and other concerts. Our Center Street is recently redone with wonderful sidewalk dining, fun cafes, and beautiful flower beds. And I always host an ice cream social in one of our parks for the summer citizens, so I hope to see you there.
Hello, I'm Todd Butler, the General Manager of the Cache Valley Transit District, and I want to welcome you to Cache Valley. I'm here to tell you one of the great things about Cache Valley, which is our bus system. It's zero fare. You just get on the bus and go wherever you want. And there's plenty of places to go. We go from Hiram all the way up to Preston up in Idaho. So if you want to go up and buy a lottery ticket, take in some lunch, you can do that. Or if you want to go to Hiram Dam and take in the lake out there, that would be great too. Our drivers are friendly. They want you to ask them questions. If you don't want to do that, you can always call us at 435-752-2877, or you can check out our website at cbtdbus.org. Really, we want you to come ride with us. We'll connect you to the people and places that matter most.
Summerfest Arts Fair is excited to welcome our wonderful summer citizens back to Cache Valley. You have been such an amazing support of our program, and we love having you a part of it. You work wonderfully as booth setters for us, covering for our artists when they need to take breaks, and bring such a wonderful flavor to our event. This year we are meeting again at the Cache County Event and Fairgrounds, and hope to see you all there. You guys are absolutely the epitome of what a wonderful citizen is all about.
Hi, I'm Richie Call, Artistic Director of the Lyric Repertory Company.
And I'm Paul Mitri, the Artistic Producer of the Lyric Rep.
We are so excited to see you here in Logan this summer.
The Lyric Rep is back in full force for the 2022 summer season. We'll have a hilarious farce and a heartwarming comedy in the historic Kane Lyric Theater in downtown Logan. We have a Disney musical in the Morgan Theater and a Pulitzer Prize-winning drama in the Black Box Studio Theater.
Our 2022 season opens with A Fox on the Fairway, a new farce by Ken Ludwig, the same playwright who gave us Lend Me a Tenor and Moon Over Buffalo. This farce is about two country clubs competing in the golf tournament of the decade. What happens on the 18th hole is the stuff of legend.
Disney's Freaky Friday the Musical is based on the novel and two movies of the same title. This delightful musical shows us what happens when a mother and a daughter step into each other's shoes for a day, literally.
Fences, which was recently made into a film starring Denzel Washington and Viola Davis, tells the story of a former star of the Negro Baseball League and his family living in Pittsburgh.
And Into the Breeches tells the story of an intrepid group of women who work to produce Henry V while the men are away at war. It's kind of like A League of Their Own meets Shakespeare.
Interact is back again this year, this time in the Black Box Studio Theater, featuring a new work by one of our company members. You'll be able to experience this new play and participate in a post-show discussion to offer feedback to the writer.
And finally, please join us for the 4th annual Vasco Call Spotlight Concert. This year, the concert will happen on 2 nights, July 19th and 26th.
Hi, summer citizens. I'm so excited to have you back this summer, and my name is Ann Spackman, and I am the coordinator of the housing office here at Utah State University, and I am going to give you a little bit of information about summer citizen housing. Our department, along with some of our awesome off-campus apartment complexes, offer summer citizen housing to you. I'm going to give you a little bit of information about that, but you can find a lot more on the Summer Citizens website. This is student housing, just so you're aware of that. So you'll either have a 2, 3, or 4-bedroom apartment. Most of those come semi-furnished, which means the big things like the beds, the desks, and couches. You will need to bring your own things. So linens, pots and pans, kitchen items, anything that you want to have this summer to make your house a home. And most of the apartment complexes, the beds are twin beds in the units. So you'll just need to make sure that you're aware of that. Most summer citizens will push them together if they want a king-size bed, and a king-size sheet will fit on those beds, or if you want to have your own bed, you can do that as well. I know that as many of you contact some of these apartment complexes that are listed as sponsors to the program, you may find that they have waiting lists. Please make sure to put your name on that waiting list, because a lot of things change as far as health and other issues with some of our current summer citizens, so make sure you put your name on that waiting list so that you can be contacted if there's an opening available. And also, a lot of those waiting lists will carry over from year to year, so that if you're planning to come in the future, you can do that as well. So short term, a lot of people will ask about, I only want to come for a few weeks. I don't want to be here for the whole 12 weeks, or I can't be away that long. And so a couple of tips for you to try is we have some great hotels here that offer extended stay options for you. So the University Inn, which is the campus hotel, is one of those, as well as the Baum Motel, which is listed in the Summer Citizen sponsor area. And you can find their information and contact them and see if they may have some dates that are available. Also, you could try Airbnb or VRBOs. Those are great options too if you wanted to come short term. We also get a lot of questions about pets, and I know that those are important to a lot of you. There are currently 2 properties that do allow pets in their facilities, so make sure to check that Summer Citizen list and see if there is something that would be able to accommodate you and your pet.
We have a long list of free program benefits. Everyone will receive a personalized ID card with their photo on it, a welcome packet upon arrival, coupon book with local retail discounts, Sunday seminars under the trees, connection with special interest groups. You'll receive email updates and summer newsletters, a USU parking pass, USU library access, USU computer lab access, USU technology assistance from our professionals. And most importantly, everyone who registers by April 30th will receive a Summer Citizens t-shirt. Featuring a new design every year, you'll want to get your collection started. Free special events include welcome orientation and merchant fair with local businesses on site to welcome you, the Midsummer Orientation and Merchant Fair, the Mayor's Ice Cream Social, hosted by our Logan City Mayor, the Closing Social, Luncheon and Talent Show, a chance to say goodbye to friends and enjoy the talents of your fellow summer citizens. Our free seminar series is held every Sunday from 1 to 2 at the top of Old Main Hill with a beautiful view overlooking the entire valley. When you register, you can sign up to be included in as many of our free special interest groups as you would like. Then we'll put you in touch with others who share your interests. You'll also be able to sign up for these optional benefits with additional fees. Enjoy an array of engaging courses from fitness and history to science and technology, and everything in between. Join our hosts for guided travel tours, both locally and statewide. Purchase a USU Campus Recreation Pass for access to courts and 2 indoor swimming pools. Or join USU Outdoor Recreation for local field trips like canoeing. Visit the website to see this year's course listing and travel tours. In 1985, a group of summer citizens wanted to find a way to give back to the university and community. They decided to create a scholarship endowment fund. To date, we have raised over $55,000. Money from the endowment provides scholarships to 2 deserving students every year. Students must be graduates of Logan or Cache County high schools with academic achievement and career goals. Financial need is also considered. I hope you will consider a donation when you register. If everyone gives a little, it adds up a lot. Registration is now open for this summer. Register by April 30th to take advantage of early bird rates and a free t-shirt. Simply go to the website and click the registration button. Then join us for our Welcome Week check-in on campus May 23rd through 27th. This program has so much to offer: the university, the community, theater arts, outdoor recreation, housing, courses and tours, current friends and new friends. You won't be disappointed. I hope you will join us this summer.
So as you're considering how to spend your summer, please consider the Summer Citizens Program at USU in Logan, Utah.
Can't wait to have you here. We've done some really cool things in dining services. Can't wait to share them with you.
We'll see you this summer. Go Aggies and go Summer Citizens.
We're looking so forward to seeing you this summer.
We're looking forward to seeing you this summer.
Thank you so much for your continued support of the Lyric Repertory Company.
We're excited to see you this summer.
Can't wait to see you next summer.
We're excited to see you this summer.
Please come join us in Logan.
See you soon. Go Aggies and go Summer Citizens.